Hey there, Ryan. Justin Sherwood here. I just want to touch base with you and let you know this year has been a great year. We've been doing Cardone University this year. My sales team, I have 4 salespeople, and we added a 5th just last month. And we are all doing Cardone University pretty dang faithfully. I'm pretty proud of my people. We watch 3 videos a day, and I think it is helping us become a much more professional sales force. So we do cabinets, countertops. We have a beautiful showroom. A lot of what we do is design and install and whatnot, but my sales team, they are really benefiting from the university. Last year we sold 6.7 million. This year we are on track for 8 million. At the beginning of the year we set out for a goal of 8 million, and we are right on track to reach it. And Cardone University was a big reason. I got it because I want to help my people reach that goal. And so for reaching that goal, they get to go to the 10X Growth Conference. Now I've already bought all the tickets. Now it's just up to them if they are paying for the tickets and hotel and food, etc., or if I am. If they reach their goal, they're getting it, no cost. If they don't, then they're ponying it up. So it's been a great incentive. But the Cardone University has really been helpful for this year. Thanks for all your help, man. Grant, what's up, baby?